Welcome to our first practical session on this meditation course. Today, we're going to keep things simple. First, we generate energy through Kapalbhati or the breath of fire, and then we balance these energies through alternate nostril breathing, and we prepare our body for meditation. So this is a practical session. We're not going to go into theory. So without any further ado, let's begin. So just follow the instructions. We're going to go into Kapalbhati Pranayama, the breath of fire. So you're going to sit down in a cross-legged position. If cross-legged is not an option, you can sit on a couch or a chair, keeping your spine straight, chin 5 degrees, 10 degrees upwards. And we start. Inhale fully. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway. And exhale. As you exhale, pump the stomach in, pull the belly in. Inhale happens automatically. A little faster now. Five more. 5, 4. 1. Exhale fully. Pull the diaphragm up. Hold the breath out. Revitalizing breath in. Hold for 15 seconds. Amazing. Allow the breath to come in and out normally. Now that we generated this energy, now let's balance this energy, your feminine and your masculine, Ida and Pingla side, through alternate nostril breathing. So let's come into Vishnu Mudra. Bring your thumb, right thumb, on the right nostril and start to inhale from the left for 4. Hold 8. Exhale right nostril 8. Hold 4. Inhale right 4. Hold 8. Exhale left 8. Hold 4. Inhale left 4. Hold 8. Exhale right 8. Hold 4. Inhale right 6. Hold 10. Exhale left 10. Hold 6. Inhale left 6. Hold 10. Exhale right 10. Hold 6. Inhale, right 6. Hold 12. Exhale, left 12. Hold 6. Inhale, left 8. Hold 12. And slow exhale right. And slowly come to sit in meditation. We're going to sit in Shin Mudra. Bring the thumb and index finger together, palms facing up, keeping your spine straight, and close your eyes. As you close your eyes, bring awareness on lengthening the breath. Inhaling, breathing into the belly first, then filling up your chest all the way to your collarbones, shoulders. And as you exhale, allow the shoulders to relax, chest relaxes, and pull the belly in. Continue breathing slow, deep breaths. If a thought pops up, just bring your attention back on the inhale and exhale. Now we'll sit in 3 minutes of complete silence. Amazing job, my friends. Now slowly start to bring awareness back to your body, wiggling your fingers, your toes. Bring awareness to the natural flow of your breath in and out. And we'll end this practice with 3 rounds of Om. So taking a long breath in, bringing your palms to your chest. Namaste. Inhale. Amazing, my friends. Hopefully, you're now feeling more connected to your body, more grounded, and your mind must be clear. If you're looking to practice longer and dive deeper into meditation, consider signing up for our holistic membership on our website. There, you'll find our practice meditation videos and get access to our comprehensive breathwork and meditation courses. If you want to track your progress, you can download a daily meditation journal from our course materials. Just click in the link in the description below. So let's go on to the second session of our meditation course. See you there.